Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to get a still image or photo from the video in Canva. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can create the video first. It's kind of the video file or the project, and I will choose the landscape here until it will bring you into this new tab. Well guys, basically you can start to upload the video from your device or from the provided video from this Canva here, and I will find it from this element. And after that, for example, I will start to browse some video from this Canva, for example, about the cat. Like this, and for example, I will choose this one, and it will be uploaded into this section. Well guys, if you would like to get the picture from this video in Canva, so you start to click this share and go to the download, and you need to pay attention about the file tab here. So it was MP4 video, so you need to click this drop down and click this JPG or PNG, which is the format that can help us or show us the picture, the still picture from this video. And for example, I will choose this first one, and you can also adjust the size if you want to, the quality, and also the limit file size and save download setting. And if you're ready about the setting, for example, I will slightly reduce it. You need to pay the package here. And for example, I will repeat it again and go to the JPG and click download, and can kindly wait for the result up here. So basically, maybe you just need 5 seconds for the download process, and finally this picture is now ready. And this will be the picture we have from this Canva. Isn't that cute, right? So you can start to try this tutorial to get the still picture from this Canva video. And I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.